Hey guys, it's me, Paul Nazari. Decided to make another video today. I just want to introduce something to you guys. This is the Side Sweeper joystick. I bought it a couple days ago, and if you don't know what a joystick is, it's this it used to be this game device thing back in the 1990s. It was used for like Air Force games, and you can use it for racing too. And so this is a Side Sweeper joystick. It was made by Microsoft. Right there, might be, but and it's a 2003 model. And right now it works with every single one of my PC games, especially shooter games, like called Battlefield 1942. Oh, and Team Fortress 2. And so on the joystick you have the trigger button. You have, and all these buttons are numbered. There's a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's all. And there's also this sensitivity button. And so yeah, I just wanted to show it off. I'm gonna try to see if it works for my Xbox because it's Microsoft. I'm just gonna check to see what it can do. And that's it. Bye.